So this is the work that I have on the bench for the immediate next few hours. So let's just check it out. This is some repair stuff. What is this? Let's see what we got here. So we've got a little bitty, oh my goodness, so little bitty chain. And I've got the bonus feature of it being completely knotted. Completely knotted. It's like a little bird's nest. So let's see what the job is. The job says cable chain with the letter E condition. It is broken and the chain is tangled. And we're going to repair this broken chain and untangle it. And that is the job. So what I'm going to need is 2 sets of tweezers. Check it out. So first thing you do is you try to figure out which way this knot is coming from. So this is one of those ones where you fix it, and if it breaks again, then it's time for a new chain. This is some little bitty stuff. This stuff is so hard to work on because it's so small. I mean, yeah, this is where we need a super tight zoom right here so I can illustrate what's going on. And
you can actually see it really good on this one.
On the one you got?
The stationary one right here.
Oh, well.
Tutorial kind of.
Yeah. But
No,
so
it.
yeah. Well, the thing is that this little loop I'm trying to illustrate right here, I don't think you can really appreciate like the absolute wispy, delicate cigarette ash type strength that this thing has. It's literally held together by hopes and dreams. This little link that I was taking off is like, I mean, it's like a sliver of gold. That's all that's left of that link because it wore through and then eventually got stressed to the point that it, over years of the links rubbing inside of each other, right at the pendant, eventually the loop on the pendant is larger and stronger than the loop on the chain. Eventually, it wore that little loop on the chain through. I mean, it's literally the thickness of an eyelash. It's that big. And so it's gone. And so now I've got to try to reattach it on the end. So I'm going to give it a try. And this is one of those jobs that literally might not take the work. So I'm going to give it a try. So turn this little side off. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, let's see what's in it. She might need it. I don't know. We'll let it run. We'll let it run. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is... Huh?
Do you want for us to allocate the funds?
No. No. It fell off my desk and got tangled again.
Dang.
It was just a little one. Okay. So this is going to be really tough to see. But I'm going to cut the back of this little loop. And then I'm going to open the loop up by twisting it open ever so slightly. Now, I'm going to take this little piece of chain. I don't know if you can get this, but I'm going to try to feed that little piece of chain over the back side of this little loop. So let's see if we can get it on there. There's a chain, there's a loop. Got it on there. Now I'm going to close the loop back shut. Now I've got it on there. I'm going to laser weld that little loop shut with this laser welder. That little loop, I know this doesn't seem like a big deal, but this little diamond initial E, this is somebody's little piece of jewelry that they wear every day, and it's a very, very small, very delicate piece, but it's important to somebody. So now I'm giving it a light polish. Don't want to go crazy because we're not refinishing it like it's brand new. We're just freshening the piece, and we're polishing where we did our work because we want that to look new and fresh. And so that's it. So now I'm going to put it in the ultrasonic cleaner and steam it off and dry it, and it'll be done. Take this little fella and stretch it along these hooks, hook it back there, and that way it can hang in the cleaner without getting tangled again, because we know how prone those little bitty chains are to get tangled.